Chair,
Mr. Chair.
nandito ba itong may-ari ng RBS saka Soda Trade Corporation, Mr. Chair?
Yes, si Ma'am Rosalyn Shimokawa. Ma'am, you're recognized. May gustong itanong sa inyo si Congressman Briones. They're all here. Miss Ginny Tan, Irene Casino, Irene Chu, Jade Say,
Mr.
Marty
Chair.
Doctolero, Thelma Martinez, Mr. Carl Benz Pandaraon, Attorney John Patrick Ramirez, Miss Nina Balboa, and Miss Malu Miraflor.
Mr.
Mr.
Chair.
Chair.
Have they taken
So,
Not
I
yet.
don't know how,
Mr. Chair.
ministerially, I don't know how to, this administrative nightmare.
But Mr.
Where-
Chair,
Where will I put them?
okay.
With the
Or out of-
permission, Mr. Chair, I'm sure we can make some space siguro from, I think there's some agencies with numerous
So, may I ask PCC,
attendees.
PSA, and sino yung nasa gitna nyo? Can you sit at the back?
It's PNP
And
and AMLAC.
AMLA.
No, baka pwedeng, SEC pwedeng babasan.
Can we reserve
Chair.
that 5 seats? 5 each. First, may we call immediately Miss Ginita and Miss Irene Casino, Miss Irene Chu, and Miss Attorney Jed Sape,
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
and Mr. Marty Doctolero.
Mr. Chair. Once they have taken, Mr. Chair, sorry,
Yeah.
may I be recognized?
Yes, we will. Yes, Congressman Reyes.
Yes. Once they have taken their seats, before they are recognized and they could be answering questions, we'll request the COMSEC to administer an oath to them.
Okay. So may I ask all the following persons to please stand up. Miss Ginny Tan, Miss Irene Casino, Attorney Irene Chu for River Valley, Attorney Jade Sape for River Valley, Mr. Marty Doctolero for Vitram Marketing, Miss Thelma Martinez, Lucky Buy and Sell, ito yung pinakamarami, Mr. Carl Renz Pandarawan, Non-Istu Agri-Traders, and then Mr. John Patrick Ramirez of Pioneer, and Miss Nina Balboa, Miss Malu Miraflor. Can you please just stand up now? Can you administer? And Mr. Gerald Cruz for King B. Co. and Ma'am Rosalyn Shimokawa of RBS Universal Grains. Wala naman kayong ginagawang masama, huwag kayong matakot.
Mr. Chairman, can I just inquire?
Wait,
Who is
kaya-
Mr. Gerald
Pwede-
Cruz?
Can you stand up first and we will administer the oath?
Yes, sir. May I just repeat? Miss Jenny Tan, Miss Irene Casino, Attorney Irene Chu, Attorney Jed Sit, Sayit, Mr. Gerard Cruz, Mr. Marty Doctorero, Miss Thelma Martinez, Miss Rosalyn Shimokama, Mr. Anselmo Econg Jr., Mr. Carl Benz Pandarawan, Attorney Adi Jose, Mr. John Patrick Ramirez, Miss Nina Balboa, and Miss Malu Villaflor. Sirs, ma'am, please stand up. Thank you. Please raise your right hand. I, please state your name. Do solemnly swear that the testimony I will give before the Joint Committee or Murang Pagkain Super Committee of the House of Representatives will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Salamat po.
Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Tina.
Mr. Chair, I think we have met all the factors to reduce the price of rice. Kasi sabi nga po ng NEDA kanina, Ang malaking bagay yung binigay po sa atin ng Pangulong BBM na 15% na tariff, yung gate price natin bumaba na. So nagkakaroon tayo ng problema once na mag-issue po ng permit ng i-import na bigas. At doon naman po ay nasusundan ng BOC kasi pag may mga smuggled goods, ay hindi po nila na-monitor. In fact, ngayon yung 856 million na sinasabi nyo smuggled goods, hindi nyo ma-identify kung sino yung nahuli po ninyo. So dito makikita po natin na parang meron nga pong connivance sa ating po mga government agency kung bakit hindi po natin nami-meet yung target natin na ibaba po talaga natin yung presyo po ng bigas. Kasi sabi nga po ni Sir last week, nandito po tayo sa Quinta meeting, sabi niya, ang application po ng importation is through online. So hindi nyo nga po makikilala na nadodoble na po at iisa na lang po talaga yung importer po natin. Kung bagsa nakokontrol na po nila, may hoarding na po dito eh. Sa atin po mga traders, sa atin po mga players, kasi sila na lang po yung may hawak noong stock, sila na po ang kumokontrol dun sa presyo po natin ng bigas.
Thank you. Noted.
Mr.
And
Chair, may I just
may I just recognize my good friend, Congresswoman Franz Castro.
Mr. Chair, can I just be very brief? Can we
Yes.
just for clarity for everyone, may we also know from our traders, our importers, kung pwede ba malaman if kayo po ay bumibili rin ng local na palay? Can you just state if your company is engaged in local trading? Wala po sa inyo.
Pwede natin isa-isa.
Pwedeng isa-isa lang. Mr. Chair, thank you just for clarity for our discussion purposes.
Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chair.
Hindi, para let's clear ilan lang naman ang pangalan. Miss Jeannie Tan, do you buy domestically?
yes, we are buying local rice from Cotabato.
Ay, may bigas para sa Cotabato.
Meron.
Mr. Chair, pwede malaman po yung kumpanya. Ma'am, anong company po ninyo?
BLY.
BLY
Thank you,
Agriventure.
thank you.
Okay. Attorney Irene Chu of River Valley. Do you
Good
buy?
morning, Your Honor. Purely importer po yung client po
Thank
namin.
you. Attorney Jade Sate of the same. Gerald Cruz of King Bico.
Imported po.
Pure imported? Okay. Mr. Marty Doctolero of Vitram.
Only about 5% local, Your Honor.
Okay. Telma Martinez. Telma Martinez, you're the one with so many applications. Yes, ma'am.
Pure importation lang po. Your
Taga saan po
Honor.
kayo?
Taga Davao City po.
Oh, okay, puro Davao, ah. Rosaline Shimukawa.
Buy local also.
May local ka. Anong porsyento?
Maybe about 3 to 5%.
So halos wala. Okay. Carl Benz Pandarawan.
Mr. Chair, purely imported po.
So halos pure imported. Adi Jose.
Mr. Chair, for G4 Rice, Milias po.
Purely.
Not pure, we do both importing.
You're from
trading
where?
also. From G4 Rice Mill.
No, which part of the country?
There is po in Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, and
That's why you buy it domestically. Because you're from Bulacan. John Patrick Ramirez of Pioneer. Bigyan nyo ng mic.
Mr. Chair, imported lang rin po. Importation.
Pure. Okay. Nina Galboa.
Sir, pure imported po.
Pure importing. You're operating from where?
Grain Lane representative.
Then where?
Here in Bulacan, Manila.
Nasa Bulacan ka, pero hindi ka namimili dyan?
Pure imported lang po.
Miss Malu Miraflor of Mindanao Agriplus Corporation.
Good morning, Mr. Chairman. Pure importation po.
You're operating from where?
Authorized representative from Mindanao Agriplus po.
Yeah, where do
Davao
you operate?
Davao and Cebu po.
Davao and Cebu. Okay, so
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, perusing the financial record of...
Sir, may I recognize our esteemed expert, Congressman Swansing. Yes, sir,
Yes.
you have the floor. Then
Yes.
after that, I go back to you.
Yes, this is in relation to the topic of Congressman Briones. Perusing the financial position of all the top importers listed here today, I see that the subscribed capital of each company is around 1 million pesos. And to think that they are importing millions, hundreds of millions worth of rice. May I now request AMLA, Mr. Chair, to check the financial records and transactions of all these top importers and report their findings to this committee, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Mapapadali sana trabaho ko, pero anong tawag dito? Hindi executive session. Ano lang, informal lang, session suspended. AMLA, pwede mo bang gawin yon kung wala naman predicate crime? You're here? Pinadala kasi natin sa likod eh. Nawala tuloy. Pinalayas kasi natin. Asa na siya? Nandyan siya eh.
Sa likod pa, labas.
Uy, AMLA, nasan ka?
Sa labas nga.
We have a legal issue. Can we investigate their access their bank
Mr. Chairman,
Mr. Chairman, before we ask AMLA to report to us or to speak before us, Mr. Chairman, I think the request was for AMLA to monitor yung financial transactions nila.
Oh, pag
So-
above 500,000 naman, those are reported to SAP.
That's correct, Mr. Chair. But the point here is that if the transactions are way beyond the financial capability and capacity of their corporation, there's a big question mark lying on our heads, no? And perhaps that's the reason why yun ang gustong itanong ni Congressman Swansing. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
I know.
Precisely, that's my point, Mr. Chair. Because we're talking about carteling, dummy corporations, and I would like to ask other government agencies to participate in this Kintacom to help us, Mr. Chair. Mapadali tayo dito, Mr. Chair, kasi kung wala sila capability to finance their importation, someone or somebody is financing them. So, mapadali tayo. Pupunta na tayo ngayon sa traders na yan. Ang next step natin.
AMLA, are you here? Pinalayas kasi natin.
Mr. Chairman.
Can I don't know how to rule on that motion because pinapakit na po yung AMLA. So, in the meantime,
Mr. Chairman, while we're waiting for AMLA, can I just have a point of clarification?
yes.
Yes, thank you very much. Mr. Chairman, the name of Mr. Gerald Cruz was mentioned earlier.
Yes.
Can can that Gerald Cruz present himself? I'm just curious, no? Mr. Cruz, taga saan po kayo?
From Angat, Bulacan.
Okay. Tapos saan po kayong kumpanya bumabahagi? I mean,
Sa King B
nagtatrabaho?
po, King B.
King Biko.
Okay. Hindi po kayo yung Gerald Cruz na taga Davao?
No, sir. No, Your Honor.
Any other questions? Can I make a question ng Jean B. Tan? Jenny, where are you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Magkano ang pasa mo dun sa... Lahat ba to ikaw mismo nagbebenta?
I mean, ako po.
Ay, hindi ibig sabihin na meron kang isang malaking tindahan, puro bigas, tapos pupunta kliyente doon?
Meron warehouses at saka nagbebenta kami.
So, you're not just an importer, you're a wholesaler?
I am an importer,
Wholesaler, no?
wholesaler,
So, you're both a wholesaler and an...
wholesaler, importer, retailer.
Okay. So, now, may I ask Irene Chu? Ma'am, where are you?
Good morning, Your
Are you, so, malaki-laki ka rin. So, meron ka rin sarili mong warehouse, obviously.
Your Honor, yung client ko po meron pong sariling warehouse.
And then, are you wholesaler too?
Wholesaler po sila, yes. But they sell to wholesalers po.
So, parang to kasing ipira eh. Kung mababali mo lang yung wholesale sa importation, we would have not have this incestuous pricing relationships. So lahat sila. So, River Valley yun. Gerald Cruz, wholesaler ka rin?
Yes, Your Honor. Wholesaler po.
Importer, wholesaler.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair.
Okay. Mr.
Mr. Chair,
Marty
can I-
Doctolero. I'll finish this now.
Mr. Chair. Gusto ko malaman
Marty
taga saan
Doctor
si Gerald Cruz kasi sa distrito ko yan eh. Saan nga? Saan sa...
From Angat, Bulacan po.
Saan?
Angat, Bulacan po.
Saan nga roon? Sa
Saan
Angat?
po? Sa Santa Lucia.
Okay. Swerte mo. Kasama ka sa Bulacan Ecozone. Yeah.
Mr. Chair,
Dr.
we are an importer. We sell to wholesaler.
You sell to wholesaler.
To wholesaler.
So you don't wholesale.
We don't do wholesale. When you say wholesale,
You're the first one.
yeah.
Okay.
When you say wholesale, kasi you have a physical store.
Correct. That's what I'm saying.
So as importer, we don't have physical store. We only have warehouse. That's why importers sell to wholesaler.
Correct. But most of them are saying that they are wholesalers too. Telma Martinez. Ma'am,
Yes, Your Honor.
are you a wholesaler also?
Yes, we sell wholesale from our import.
Asan po yung mo? Yung
warehouse?
Opo,
Nasa Davao po.
Davao. So, yung bigas mo saan binabagsak? Aling port?
Pag galing sa barko, direkta na yan sa mga wholesaler. Direkta na. Tapos yung iba, pag hindi makaya namin mag-deliver, ibaba sa kabiga.
So wholesaler ka rin? Ma'am?
Doon ang bagsak.
O dinidiretsa mo na doon?
Dinidiretso na, galing sa diretso na yung mga, kasi bago kami
Mas maganda nito, isa-isa ng mga kwento ng bawat isa. Sino may kapasidad
Mr. Chair, can I ask a question to the chair?
Yes.
Yeah. Mr. Chair, maybe we can define an indentor, a wholesaler, and a retailer, so we aligned with the terminologies and what our good resource person who are speaking. Because apparently most of them are possible indentors eh. The way I'm hearing things
Yeah. Jet, is there a differentiation between an importer and an indentor?
Your Honor, as far as customs is concerned, the consignee is deemed the importer.
And then, but there's a difference between an importer and a wholesaler, definitely.
Yes, Your Honor. As far as we're concerned, there should be a difference. But again, as far as customs is concerned, we only deal with consignees that are accredited to us and are importing goods.
Pero ang gusto niyang malaman, may mga combination at may mga pure wholesaler, pure importer and importer na wholesaler din.
Your Honor, we can work with, I don't know, DA or DTI on this matter because we need, the Bureau of Customs can provide them with data on who imports and the volume. And
Mr.
maybe
Chairman.
DTI and DA has that data on who among these importers actually.
Tapusin ko apat na lang. Shimokawa?
We are importer and we sell to wholesalers, sir.
You don't wholesale.
We sell to buyers in bulk, for example, 1 truck, 2 trucks, like that. But we don't do, retail.
Okay, thank you. Anselmo Eco. Sir? Importer or importer wholesaler?
Importer and wholesaler, Your Honor.
Okay, you do both. Itong Rosalie Barnuevo, ikaw din ba to si Mukawa?
No, sir. My mom is the Corazon.
That's why I thought you're the same. So, is she your mom?
We were the one mentioned earlier na ako yung RBS and she's Soda Trade Corporation, who is actually our matriarch.
Okay, matriarch. Ma'am, do you do wholesaling?
I'm a importer, wholesaler, and retailer, also in Iligan City.
Thank
the
you.
Market.
Adi Jose?
Mr. Chair, the client po, G4 Rice Mill, is an importer, wholesaler, and retailer din po.
Okay. Ramirez?
Mr. Chair, can we also ask where they're based other than the roles that they play?
Uulit ako.
Mr. Chair, and also whether they own mills.
Okay,
Nagmi-mill din sila.
John Patrick Ramirez. Ikaw ang ano?
Mr. Chair,
Importer ka ba?
only.
You're an importer, definitely.
No wholesaling.
May wholesaler ka?
We don't wholesale.
May rice mill ka?
Wala. Importation.
Saan naka-base yung warehouse mo?
Bulacan po.
Bulacan. So, no domestic?
Local rice. Local.
Saan sa Bulacan po?
We're in Bulacan, Mr. Chair.
Marilao.
Saan po?
Marilao, Bulacan po.
Marilao, ang lapit. Nina Balboa. Yes, ma'am?
Sir, importer selling to wholesaler.
So
And
you
then-
don't do wholesale.
No. And then
You don't have a rice mill.
No.
Where do
Only
you
warehouse.
Where do you operate?
In Bulacan, Intercity.
Bakit puro Bulacan to?
We have a lot in Bukawi.
Mr. Chair, that is Bukawi, Intercity. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Siya? Grain Lane Dealers siya. Miss Malu Miraflor. Asan si Malu?
Mr. Chair, importer po. We sell to wholesaler po.
Ma'am, where are you based?
Okay. May I just ask Attorney Irene Chu, Attorney Jade Said, and Attorney Adi Jose to produce your special power of attorney to represent your companies?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Have you submitted it?
We have them po on hand, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Since in deference to Congressman Swansea, is the SEC around? You can question now.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, with all of the people that we have invited, the importers, wholesalers, and retailers, I'd like to throw the question to the Bureau of Plant Industry. What is the process flow when you accredit them? Do you accredit them as an importer, wholesaler, or a retailer?
Glenn?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, thank you po. The procedure is they are given license to operate as an importer. An importer po. It doesn't matter if wholesaler or retailer, hindi na po namin yun.
So walang violation yon.
Wala naman po. Pag nasa in order naman po yung kanilang documentation, wala naman po silang derogatory records from our assessment, ay okay naman.
Yes, I agree with you when it is in order. Actually, in order naman lahat ng documentation. But it does not speaks dun sa nangyayari ngayon na mataas ang bigas. So may problema talaga. And Mr. Chair, before I end, I'd like to also retain a question or query sa PCC kung ano ang mga ginagawa nila sa lahat ng problemang ito. Yun lang po, Mr. Chair, maybe next time.
Pinalayas natin yung PCC.
Oo nga
Saan na
eh.
ba siya?
Importante kasi sila eh. Since DA cannot regulate, they just issue all these permits. And of course, they're not deputized to hulihin ang lahat ng ito. What is PCC doing with all of these matters? Yun lang po, Mr. Chair.